Join me as I dig deep and uncover the top secrets about the Nintendo Switch 2 that you probably didn't know. The gaming world is buzzing with excitement as we count down the days to the release of the Nintendo Switch 2. Fans are eagerly anticipating what this new console will bring, and I'm here to give you the lowdown on what's been rumored so far. With the original Switch having sold over 88 million units worldwide, Nintendo has a lot to live up to with its successor. Nintendo faces a tough battle in the gaming market. With Sony's PlayStation and Microsoft's Xbox dominating the scene, the Switch 2 needs to stand out from the crowd. One of the biggest challenges will be balancing power and portability. The original Switch was praised for its versatility, but its hardware started to show its age. The Switch 2 needs to upgrade its specs without sacrificing battery life or making the device too bulky. Competition in the gaming market is fierce, and Nintendo knows it. The company has been working hard to secure big-name titles and exclusives, but it'll need to do more to compete with the likes of Fortnite and Call of Duty. Another hurdle is the rise of cloud gaming. With Google Stadia and Microsoft's xCloud changing the way we play games, Nintendo needs to adapt and innovate to stay ahead. The Switch 2 also needs to address some of the original shortcomings, like its limited online capabilities and lack of 4K resolution support. Can Nintendo deliver on these fronts, or will the Switch 2 fall short? With so many questions still unanswered, the anticipation is building. Rumors have been swirling about the Switch 2's features and specs. One of the most exciting possibilities is a more powerful processor, potentially allowing for more complex games and better graphics. There are also whispers of a larger screen, improved battery life, and enhanced controller functionality. If these rumors are true, the Switch 2 could be a game changer. Another rumored feature is backwards compatibility. Imagine being able to play your existing Switch games on the new console, with improved performance and graphics. This would not only make the Switch 2 more appealing to existing fans but also provide a seamless transition to the new hardware. Enhanced graphics capabilities are also on the wish list for many fans. With the rise of 4K resolution and ray tracing, gamers are expecting more visually stunning experiences. If the Switch 2 can deliver on this front, it could attract a whole new audience. The potential inclusion of AI-powered features and machine learning capabilities could also open up new possibilities for game development. Imagine games that adapt to your playstyle or offer personalized experiences. This could be a major selling point for the Switch 2. One of the most exciting secrets I've uncovered is the potential for a revolutionary new controller design. Imagine a controller that can change its layout and configuration on the fly, allowing for more immersive and flexible gameplay experiences. This could be a major game changer, and I'm excited to see if it becomes a reality. This innovative controller could also include haptic feedback and advanced motion controls, making games feel more immersive and engaging. The possibilities are endless, and I'm eager to see how this technology could be used in future games. If this controller design does make it to the Switch 2, it could give Nintendo a major edge in the gaming market. With the ability to adapt to different games and genres, the Switch 2 could offer a more versatile gaming experience than its competitors. The implications of this new controller design are huge. Imagine playing a racing game with a layout that's optimized for driving, then switching to a fighting game with a configuration that's perfect for combat. The Switch 2 could be about to revolutionize the way we play games. The Nintendo Switch 2 has the potential to shake up the gaming landscape once again. With its rumored features and specs, this console could offer a unique blend of power, portability, and innovation. So, what do you think about the Nintendo Switch 2? Are you excited about its potential features and specs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more gaming news and updates, be sure to check out my other videos.